Good evening, class. Today we'll take you through on how to file your Paye nil returns. Nil returns are only filed in cases where you don't have the employees as a company or as an employer to declare for a certain month. So you normally come, you input your PIN, then you continue, put in your password. Do the addition for the security stamp, it's simply 31. And you log in. So this is the integrated tax management portal, and this is how it looks like. So to file a nil return for Paye, you simply come to the returns tab, click file nil return. You'll be shown here the type of return that you are filing. Under the tax obligation, ensure that you pick on the Paye, then say next. In this case, we are filing the nil return for the month of October, but we are filing as at November before 9th. So the preceding month, you normally have to declare this obligation. Whether you have employees or not, you have to declare. Failure to declare cost one a penalty of 10,000 every month. And then you simply submit. Download your returns receipt, which is the acknowledgement receipt with a number, reference number. So this one shows that actually you filed this return. So if you download that receipt, this is how the receipt looks like. This is how the receipt looks like. So number of employees is 0. But remember, nil return are supposed to be filed in cases where employer doesn't have employees for specific months. If you have employees, then it's a different procedure. Come back to your tax tab, say file return, returns tab, then click on file return. Then you download an Excel, then you fill all the employees that you have for that specific month. So I'll be glad to take you through that in our next class. Thank you and have a nice time.